Bài xuống trườngพี่น้องผู้วันแห้งได้ผู้วันแห้งใน YouTube ก็ต้องมาดังเสียงเลยใน Facebook ต้องมาดังเสียงเมื่อไรครับมีข้อความใดมาผักตอนพี่น้องเขาในเขาด้วยนะครับเตรียมไว้เดพัดลูนีกับภายอังกฤษนี่ครับเนาะDubai is a very nice country. My name is Sai. I work in Dubai as customer assistant in Spini supermarket. I joined Spini 2019 October 1. It's already past 1 year since I arrived here. We are 3 friends from Shan State, together working the same company here in United Arab Emirates. This has been challenging for us all. We've been through difficulties because it's our very first time working in foreign country. We are from Eastern Burma. Spini is one of the best and fresh local supermarket in Dubai. In Spini, we have grocery, deli, bakery, butchery, pork, flour section, and produce. There are other supermarkets too, such as Western, Yamama, or hypermarket, etc. But according to the price, I think Spini is more expensive than other supermarkets. And Spini is one of the fresh and clean supermarket ever. Stuff in Spini. I'm one of Spini staff as well. The thing I love about Spini is the uniform. Once a year, they provide all staff for uniform with one shoes. But the thing I dislike is that I have to iron my uniforms. And another one is food. I like the food they provided. In the morning and closing time, there is always bread, fruits, milk, coffee, tea packs in our stock room. So I don't need to worry about the food when I'm out of money. But the thing is that you are not allowed to bring it home. If you forget to pack your lunch, there is a stuffed meals available for all Spini staff for cheap price. 5 dirhams, 300 grams of rice and chicken pot. 4. Why I always want to go to my work. The store is white, very big store, and the store is always clean. It's not like my home, or it's not like my room, because it's always clean. Because we have staff for that one. Staff room is always clean. You know, sometimes when you stay at your room, people do very bad at your washroom, and they never clean it twice. So in our work, staff room is always clean. It's wrong. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, washroom is always clean. And staff room is where we eat and where we take a rest and where we take a break for 30 minutes. Microwave. Is there a microwave in your room or at your home? No, for me, I don't have it in my country. So we have microwave in our store for all stuff. Staff pure drinking water available. Sometimes you only have one bottle of water at your room or at your home, but at work you can drink as much as you can speak as your stomach. And the manager talk to you nicely. According to my experiences working in my country, I've been working there like for 2 months, and when you do mistakes, the manager just insulted you and talk to you in a bad way, like abusing you. They don't talk to you nicely. they are telling you the words that is no benefit, or like some words that is shouldn't be said like that. So here the manager talk to you nicely. Whatever problem you face or you have, they always load it. They always go to the point. So is one reason that I like my jobs. Nice customer, mostly nice customer, especially European people, and there are other nationality also, but mostly European, Arabic. Like they always talk to you nicely. Their mind is like always fresh, mindful, they're friendly, like that. So according to my experience, so I like the customer, I like my customer, so they talk to you nicely. But I don't tell you there is also bad customer. But what you have to do, if you see bad customer, you try to talk to them nicely, in return you will gain the result. I have friendly friend. When I first joined in Spinny October 1, my manager introduced me to all the stuff in my stores, like it's very big store, supermarket, bring me into them all, and then after a month I feel like I know them all, and then they're very nice. They talk to you nicely, they greet you whenever to go to. Still now, until now, we greet each other when we are at work. So I always wanted to go to my work. I don't want to stay in my room, because in my room there's nothing else to do except watching movies and playing my phone. Beautiful cashier, cashier is ladies. So most of my friends is cashier. They are beautiful, yeah. What I have to say is just beautiful, yeah. When you think you're beautiful, that means you like them. So beautiful cashier. Even they are not beautiful, even you don't like them, they are all beautiful because their mind is good. They talk to you nicely, they share you food, they give you a helping hand. So beautiful means they have beautiful cashier, means they have beautiful heart for you. Nice supervisor. Supervisor, what is supervisor? Supervisor is your leader, your above leader. It's not manager. Supervisor is the one that guides you to work properly. So I have nice supervisor. They tell me nicely, they talk to me nicely, they ask me nicely. When there's a problem, they solve it and they tell me the solution. So whatever you do or wherever you work, it doesn't matter. If your mind is positive, everyone and everything around you is nice, is good. 5. My mistakes. There are a lot of mistakes I have done in my life, entire life. According to my experience, there is none who can overcome doing mistakes once in their life. So I did many mistakes too. From the first day I joined my job, I missed the bus waiting the wrong pickup point, not even once, more than twice. I lost my money paying taxi, taking metro and going wrong direction. I was fined for taking public bus with insufficient balance, means no balance in my card. I couldn't save my money because I owe a lot from my friends before I came to Dubai. Whatever salary I got, I sent to my friend. During 5 months, I couldn't have enough money to send to my home. My mom sent me 10 lakhs, mean 1 million, yeah. Yes, in my currency. one coming Dubai. I spent all money just before I came here. I go with my friend, I hang out with my friends, I go eating KFC, buy expensive clothes like that. My mistake cost my pocket money a lot, and for all these things in the last 12 months, I think I have learned a lot from my mistake. Fun day. The last thing I want to tell you is fun day. Fun day is only happen in Spinny supermarkets. Then there is no any other supermarket, only Spinny supermarket. So fun day is my favorite thing in Spinny. Fun day is celebrated individually for Spinny staff only. We are celebrating fun day once in a year. Around 5,000 staff will join their football competition, basketball, singing, dancing. One of my favorite things is eating. I know everyone like eating. In fun day, they provide food, drinks, fruits, juices, ice cream, and beer. You can have 3 beers at least, otherwise you'll be drunk. Though many staff join fun day, there's some left who doesn't want to join, or because they are lazy, or because it's on their day off. For me, I'm lazy to join as well, but I don't want to ignore the food they offer. I like food too much. That's why I go fun day for food, just for food. The reason why it's hard to join is because it's our rest day. It means off day, and tomorrow you have to go to work again. You have first day and second day to choose. It depends on which day you want to join. As for me, I pick second day because I think the last is always the most joyful one. So fun day, we celebrated 2 days. First day, half of the staff will join, and the other day, second day, and half of the staff will join. Because if we all join 5,000 staff, because there will be nobody working in the supermarket. That's why we have to share our time. So if you want to go first day, you can go, but you cannot go 2 days together. In order to join the football competition and other sport match, we must train at least before 3 months. Only the players who are selected to join the competition. My English is getting bad now. Everyone can join, but you are allowed to pick only one sport. Only one sport. As for me, I like football, so before 3 months, we have training. But due to my weakness and less experience in football competition, I was not the chosen one. I really wish coming next year I could be one of the football competitor in fun day. Fun day is one thing that attracts me to work in Spinny. And the last thing is bonus. When it comes to bonus, I think that is the only thing that attracts to all staff in Spinny supermarket to work harder and longer. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it could help you. If you want to listen to more of my story, please share, like, and comment on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. If you have any question according to my text, to my quick, all that I have been telling you in my story, please give me a thumb up and comment on my video. Thank you very much.